When it comes to portable camping stoves, finding the perfect blend of performance, portability, and safety can make all the difference for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're a camper, hiker, or need an emergency solution, here are some top options to consider. Number 1. Gas 1 GS 3400P Dual Fuel Portable Camping Stove. The Gas 1 GS 3400P Dual Fuel Portable Camping Stove is an excellent choice for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone in need of an emergency cooking solution. Compatible with both butane and propane, this stove offers versatility depending on the fuel available. Its automatic Piezo electric ignition eliminates the need for lighters or matches, making it convenient to use. This portable stove is compact and lightweight, weighing only 3.1 pounds, and includes a sturdy carrying case for easy transport. Whether you're boiling water or heating food, its adjustable heat dial ensures efficient cooking. The built-in safety features, such as the pressure sensor cartridge ejection system, add peace of mind by cutting off gas flow when irregular pressure is detected. While it's perfect for camping trips or emergency preparedness, smaller cookware may struggle to sit securely on the grill top. However, for the price point of around $30, it delivers reliable performance and versatility. Pros: dual fuel capability, butane and propane. Lightweight and portable with a carrying case. Easy ignition system, no matches needed. Built-in safety mechanisms. Cons: grill top may not support small cookware. Number 2. Chef Master 15,000 BTU Portable Butane Camping Stove. The Chef Master 15,000 BTU Portable Butane Camping Stove is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Its piezo electric ignition makes starting the stove hassle-free, eliminating the need for matches. With a powerful 15,000 BTU output, it's perfect for cooking meals while camping, tailgating, or during a power outage. The stove features a hard shell carrying case, making it highly portable and easy to pack in a backpack or car. Safety is a priority with the inline regulator and pressure sensing shutoff, preventing accidents by controlling pressure. The double wind guard ensures a stable flame, even in breezy conditions. Overall, this stove delivers reliable performance, convenience, and safety, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures and emergencies. Pros: powerful 15,000 BTU heat output. Easy piezo electric ignition. Portable with hard shell carrying case. Built-in safety features. Cons: only one heating element. Requires butane, which may not be widely available. Number 3. Coleman Triton Plus 2 Burner Propane Camping Stove. The Coleman Triton Plus 2 Burner Propane Camping Stove is an ideal companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. With a compact, portable design and built-in handle, it's easy to carry and perfect for camping, tailgating, or beach cookouts. The stove features 2 adjustable burners equipped with perfect flow and perfect heat technology, providing precise temperature control. With a powerful 22,000 total BTUs, it delivers impressive cooking performance, accommodating both 12-inch and 10-inch pans. One standout feature is its push-button Insta-Start ignition, which eliminates the need for matches. The dual wind guards shield the burners from the wind, ensuring consistent flame output in outdoor conditions. Durability is also a key factor, with its rust-resistant aluminized steel cooktop and removable chrome-plated grate for easy maintenance. This stove runs efficiently on propane, sold separately, delivering up to 1 hour of cooking time on a single 16-ounce cylinder, making it a reliable choice for extended use. Pros: compact and portable with a built-in handle. Powerful 22,000 BTU output. Easy push-button ignition. Wind guards for uninterrupted cooking. Durable and easy to clean. Cons: propane cylinder sold separately. Requires some assembly. The Coleman Triton and is a solid choice for those seeking reliable outdoor cooking. Number 4. Camplux Double Propane Burner. The Camplux Double Propane Burner is a high-performance outdoor stove perfect for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor chefs. Made of durable cast iron with a weatherproof coating, this dual-burner propane stove delivers a massive heat output of up to 260,000 BTU/HR, ensuring fast cooking times. Each burner can be independently controlled for precision cooking, whether you're boiling water or searing steaks. Installation is hassle-free with the included 5-foot hose and CSA-certified regulator. Simply connect the stove to a propane tank, and you're ready to cook. Its detachable legs and foldable wind deflectors make it easy to transport and store, ideal for camping trips, beach days, or outdoor gatherings. Safety is a priority, with the manufacturer advising users to perform a leakage test before each use. This powerful and portable stove is well suited for any outdoor adventure, saving you time while providing reliable cooking performance. Pros: extremely powerful heat output, 260,000 BTU/HR. Durable and weather-resistant cast iron construction. Easy installation and flame control. Portable with detachable legs and wind deflectors. Cons: high heat output may require careful flame control. Requires propane tanks, which may need frequent refills during long sessions. Overall, the Camplux double propane burner is a versatile and reliable choice for outdoor cooking. Number 5, Chef Master 90235 Butane Countertop Stove. The Chef Master 90235 Butane Countertop Stove is a powerful and portable cooking solution for campers, backpackers, or anyone in need of an extra burner at home. With a 12,000 BTU output, this stove is more than capable of handling a wide range of cooking tasks. The Piezo electric ignition makes starting the burner a breeze, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. It also features an adjustable heat dial, giving users full control over the cooking temperature. One of the standout features is its compact size, 12L×14W×4H, and lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to transport. The included hard shell carrying case enhances portability, though some users find it a bit flimsy for rugged use. Safety is also prioritized with a built-in pressure-sensing shut-off regulator and wind guard to protect the flame in breezy conditions. Pros: high performance with 12,000 BTU. Lightweight and portable with a carrying case. Easy to use Piezo electric ignition. Built-in safety features. Cons: the carrying case may not hold up to heavy outdoor use. May struggle with extremely heavy pots like large canners. Overall, it's an excellent choice for on-the-go cooking. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.